Want to change flag in PUBG but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my gaming easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change flag in PUBG. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, leave the lobby by clicking on the icon beside the PUBG logo. Then click on the three horizontal line icon which is beside your profile picture. Now tap on custom button from the right side of the screen. After that, click on the flag icon. Here you have a list of flags. Select any one flag from here. Then click on the use button from the bottom left corner of your screen. You won't be able to change the flag for 60 days, so if you are sure, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can change flag in PUBG. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.